Have you ever dreamed of having your own tropical retreat where you could get away from it all, where the only sounds you hear are the birds chirping, maybe the breezes passing through the palms, and even the distant waves crashing on the beach? Have you ever had this dream and didn't want to break the bank to get it? Well, if so, I think I've found the perfect home for you. Join me today as we explore the lovely Casa Tucan. Hi everyone, Sarah Breitlander here with Krain Luxury Real Estate, and we have a treat for you today. We're in an adorable tropical retreat located in Playa Potrero in the Costa region of Costa Rica. This is my brand new exclusive listing, and I'm very excited about it for a variety of reasons. The first of which, it comes in at a price point that's incredible, and it's a very unique property, and I want to show you why and where we are. This is one of 4 villas in this specific development. It's named Casa Tucan. The development is Stef Surf, and look at what you have here. This is all part of your property. Beautiful resort style pool. All of this is yours. It's only shared with 4 homeowners here, which is really, really nice. Look at all this lush vegetation. And today in this development, we have, that's come up for sale, Casa Tucan. Each one of these villas are named individually, and they're just really unique and one of a kind, so come on in. This is the beautiful Casa Tucan. As you can see, when you walk in, this is your private balcony. I love the hammocks here. You are located on the end. There are a couple things that make the development special, and there are even more things that make this unit in the development special. And the first of which is that you're here on the end. So no one really is gonna be walking this way except for you and your guest. And then you have this really private balcony. They've also made a lot of upgrades to this unit, which you'll see, and I'll point them out along the way, but beautiful ceiling fans here that are brand new, and just a lot of privacy in this unit, more so than any other unit here in the development. Look at these mature palm trees. Just lush vegetation all around. I see ginger, just wonderful, wonderful plant life. Broken Coralina tile here, and then look, because you're on the end, this is all yours. This is also private to just Casa Tucan. You have a full outdoor dining table here, lounge section. They even have a little Weber grill, so you can do your grilling out here, hang your wet bathing suits up, and come in from the beach. By the way, we are a 1-minute walk to the beach in that direction to Playa Potrero. Very calm beach. I always say it's for babies and grandmas because it's so calm. You can actually swim in it, which is great. Welcome. This, for me, I really love this unit. It's a kind of a full circle moment for me because I have been in this unit many times, us living here over the years, and every time I'm here, it just gets better. And I just really love it. And it describes for me kind of what that tropical Costa Rica feel that I think so many of my clients love. So this is your living area. As soon as you walk in the door, you just already feel enveloped, right, in your lush private retreat. A couple of things I want to point out to you. Well, number one, that these are dual sliding doors. They just open up, and you have the fans inside, you have the fans outside. So a lot of times our guests or our homeowners here would just open these doors and have the cross breezes, which is great, right? And you just see light and palm trees from every angle. You also have indoor dining here. This is such a beautiful piece. It also comes, it's fully furnished, this unit, but I love this piece. This is not just a beautiful piece of furniture. This is actually a Murphy bed. So you can sleep 6 because this is a 2-bedroom, 2-bath little villa, and you can actually sleep 6. So what a great idea, and what a beautiful use of space. Another thing that distinguishes this home from all of its neighbors is the fact that, you know, with every development you have beautiful things, and there are always a few objections, right? One of those objections was always that there's no half bath on the main floor. You'd have to go upstairs to get to the bathrooms. Valid objection, right? Not so with this home. They have completely remedied that objection by putting this beautiful, I love the hardwood here, and then look at this powder room, this great use of space. Not only is it functional, but it is a proper powder room, and I love it. I think that's such a trick, and honestly, they've utilized every bit of space. Like, they didn't really take anything away. They just added that great bathroom. Flat screen TV was added, if you noticed, and this is just a great little space here. Let's explore this side. I tell you what, this is a really well laid out kitchen. I love it. You've got a breakfast bar. I mean, really, of course you have indoor dining there, but really I think for functional purposes, this is where you'll be eating, or outside. And you have other sliding glass doors here that just go right outside. So for me, you know, your grilling out or your dining will take place in this part of the home. And I love it. I love that it has granite countertops. I love that it has this beautiful backsplash here. Really nicely laid out. You have everything you need, dishwasher, oven, all of the appliances. And then I love this floating shelf here. I think it's so beautiful. So just really nice touches. And then just for functionality, you do have a washer dryer and a complete kind of space back there. You also have another sink. So it's just really great. Again, great use of space. And we'll go this way just to show you kind of the full layout of the home, and then we're going to go up these steps, and I will see you at the upstairs in just a moment. Okay guys, here we are on the second floor. Come with me. Look how cute and tropical this bedroom is. I think it's beautiful. I love the colors. I love the colors throughout this home. I also love this. I mean, this isn't even the principal bedroom, but I tell you what, this is not a bad view to wake up to every day. You've got your day bed out here, beautiful tropical woods, lush vegetation. You can see pools. It's just beautiful out here. I mean, you feel like you're in your own tropical paradise out here. You are in your own tropical paradise out here. Right this way. Super authentic. And I think I was saying earlier, this represents to me, you know, what Costa Rica really was when I arrived. Before all the mansions and the big homes, you just had these beautiful tropical retreats, these beautiful private spaces that maybe weren't anything crazy fancy, but were just adorable and just in an amazing environment. And that's what this is. This is the first of the 2 bathrooms upstairs. So we have 2 bedrooms, 2.5 baths. And remember, we have the Murphy bed for additional sleeping for you and your guests. These are not paintings. These are actually pictures they took themselves. I recognize this. These are the cows on Potrero Beach. There's Las Catalinas Islands. These are actually pictures they have taken here. This is authentic Costa Rica. This is what you see when you're here. That's not by an artist. That is real life footage. I have a picture very similar to that, which is really cool. And then look at this, you guys. For me, I remember the time that I walked in this principal bedroom for the first time, and it really made an impact, and it still does for me. I just think this is beautiful. These huge vaulted ceilings, the colors are just so great and tranquil, lots of light. And then they have great privacy, ceiling fans, but they have a little day bed out here, great furniture here. And then just look at all this. Look at all this vegetation, really, really nice. You overlook the pool, but then you're also quite removed from it too if you want. So I just think it's great. But if you do have kids or anything, family members who are down in the pool, you can watch them right there from this great tropical environment here. Nice big king bed, plenty of room. And then just want to show you this. This is all closet space, tons of closet space, and a big mirror here. So it's a great little vacation rental also, to be honest. And this is the second full bathroom upstairs. So I just think these are adorable, affordable. They rarely come up for sale, so when they do, our clients love them because they're quite unique in that regard. And this is Casa Tucan, so if you love this unit as much as we do, give us a call, tell us you'd like to schedule a showing, and we'd be happy to help. Ciao for now, pura vida. Remember, give us a like.